In front of me is REALME C75, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. First of all, you need to find and open Teams app. This one called TeamStore. You need to be logged in into your REALME account, so make sure to do that first. Then, if you see this pop-up, tap on Restart TeamStore and launch it again. Now select Home or Category and tap on Teams section at the top of each one. You can also tap on the search bar and type in whatever you want to. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, tap on a theme you wanna apply, download it or buy it and hit Apply button. If you want to, for example, leave your icons as they are, click on Customize and exclude whatever you wish. Then tap on Apply button. Tap on Restart TeamStore, but this time, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to the default one, access TeamStore again. And tap on Me at the bottom right corner. This way you will see Themes section here under My Resources. Hit OK and tap on Apply under any of your default themes. You will also see all of your downloaded ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!